Hello friends, it is Bree True, and if you are wondering why I have a tape measure, it is because I am going to be measuring my hair. Hair vitamins are supposed to make your hair grow faster than normal. I want to see if my hair actually grows faster when I'm on vitamins versus when I'm not. The vitamin that is in question, just because it's the one that I use and it's readily available to a lot of people, is Nature Made's Hair, Skin, and Nail vitamin. I went ahead and stopped taking my hair vitamins about a month ago. And for the next month, I'm not going to take any hair vitamins, and I'm going to see how long my hair grows in that month. It is August 21st today. Let's measure my hair. Alright guys, so right now my hair is at 19 inches and that is brushed out and straight. I will check back in a month. We'll see how much it's grown. Alright guys, took me way too long to realize the date. It is September 23rd. We will see how much my hair has grown here. The longest point in my hair is at 19.5 inches, which means that my hair has grown half an inch in a month without any vitamins. So yeah, let's try taking vitamins and get this going, shall we? Okay guys, so it has been a while. It is actually into November now. I have been on the vitamin for already a month. I wanted to get it into my system and going for a month before I, really put it to the test, because sometimes they say, it takes a while to really build up in your system the way it is supposed to and be working correctly. But then I did kind of forget to come back and remeasure. So it's been a little bit over the time that I wanted it to be, but it's okay because we will measure now, see where my hair is at, and then we can come back a month from now when I've been on the vitamin and see how much it's grown. Okay guys, so my hair is currently at a little over 20 inches at its very, very longest point, which would make sense because I was at 19.5 inches a little over a month ago. So it's gained a little over half an inch. So yeah, I'm pretty confident now about my hair growing half an inch per month on its own. So hopefully the vitamins have kind of ramped up in my system and give it that little extra over half an inch mark so far, but I'm a little skeptical. We'll see. Alright guys, it is December 15th, 2 days past a month. I'm sure you are all as impatient as I am trying to figure out if this whole hair vitamin thing is worth it or not, so let's find out. My hair is now 21 inches long. Exactly. I double checked, which is kind of crazy because we know my hair grows half an inch on its own per month. So 20 inches and a quarter on its own would equal 20 inches and 3/4. But the hair growth vitamins gave me an extra 1/4 inch worth of growth. And I'm pleasantly surprised by that because that's 50% faster than my hair would grow on its own. And I'm also just surprised at the fact that it didn't really start kicking in that first month that I took it, but this month it has kicked in. I wonder if it will continue to make it grow faster the longer I take it. I wonder if it reaches its peak. I don't know, but to be honest, I'm probably not going to try to come back and film more of this video because then I would be putting this out a long time later than I started filming, which I'm already doing. So we're just going to stop it here and say, hey, hair growth vitamins do actually help your hair grow a little bit. At least this one does. Well, experiment concluded. I hope this helps you guys. Whoa, that was loud. I hope this helps you if you're trying to figure out a hair vitamin to choose, or if you should even try any sort of hair or beauty vitamins. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for some more hair videos coming out in the new year. And it's gonna be so good in the new year, in the new year. I've been belly dancing all morning and I just can't stop. This is getting weird. Adios.